Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Hi, hello, welcome. This is Glowwyangel. Welcome to another tutorial. I hope you guys are doing okay. Today I'll be teaching you how to import QR codes into Ibispaintx. I'll just try to make this as quick and short as possible. Hope you guys enjoy. First things first, get your QR code. Go ahead and open Ibispaintx. Click on your brushes, then you'll see 3 dots in the right hand corner. Press the 3 dots, then click Import Brush QR Code. Your gallery will then open up and you're going to want to click on your QR code. This notification should come up. And there you go, your brush is fully imported. Now here's how to export a pen to turn it into a QR code. This one's pretty simple. All you have to do is select the brush that you want to export. Click on the 3 dots in the right hand corner, then press Export Brush QR Code. A notification should come up and your QR code will be saved in your picture folder. This is what your QR code should look like. And finally, here's how to rename your brush. Select the brush you want to rename. Go onto settings of your brush, then scroll down, click rename brush and just rename it to whatever you want. Click done and OK, and then you've renamed your brush.